Hello guys, welcome back to yet another video. So I want you to check out this insane modulation technique performed by this wonderful worship pianist. His name is Warren Brown. I want you to see how he modulated from one key to another in this worship song. Kadosh will worship you by Dunsin Oyekon. So let me play it now and break it down, okay?
Let's cry the name of Yahweh.
Wow, you see that? You see that beautiful stuff? So you can see the way he actually modulated. He started from the key of B flat, or you can say G minor, and then he modulated to the key of B. Okay, so you can check it out again before we break it down. Okay. Wow, see that? Okay. So he started from the key of B flat, something like this. Okay, then do something like this. Kadosh we worship. Then he moved to the key of B. Okay. So you can see what he did, something like this. Okay. So this is the modulation technique we're going to be picking from this wonderful worship pianist, and we're going to see how we can use this same technique in some other similar worship songs so that you understand how it works better, okay? So in reality, it's actually playing in the key of G minor, which is this. That's the G natural minor scale, okay? But I know a lot of beginners might not be very comfortable with the minor keys yet. You might not understand the theory behind it. So let's make things very simple. So let's take it as though it's playing in the key of B flat major scale, which is this. Okay, so you know G minor is actually the relative minor of B flat major scale. Okay, that is, they use the exact same notes but just different tonic. Okay, so I don't want to go deeper into the theory behind this to avoid making things complicated, especially for beginners. So the key thing to keep in mind is that it's actually playing in the key of B flat. Okay, so he started from the key of B flat, playing the progression of the song, that is Hallelujah. Okay, Hallelujah. Kadosh we worship you. Okay, that's the simple progression. That is from the 4, the chord 4, Hallelujah, to the 1, Hallelujah, to the 5. Then you go to the 4, Kadosh we worship you. Okay, and at this point, this way now modulated to another key. He then used the 6th chord of his target key, okay, as a means to transit to that particular key. So he's actually playing the key of B flat, remember, and this target key is actually B major, okay, which is this. That's the B major scale. So he used the 6th chord in the key of B major, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the 6th chord in the key of B major, which is A flat minor. You can say G sharp minor chord. So he used the 6th chord in his target key. So this is the 6th chord in his target key, which is the key of B. He used this chord as a means to modulate to this particular key, okay? Because the song actually, the progression of the song starts from the 6th chord, okay? So he used this chord to modulate. But the way he did it is that he used the notes of the chord. So if you look at this chord, you see it's made up of G sharp, B, and E flat. So he used the notes that make up the chord to modulate. So he did something like this. So he broke it down, okay? He did something like this. Instead of just playing the chord like this, he did. Okay? In a descending order, okay? But the way he did it is that he played it in octave form, okay? So he did something like this. Instead of just playing in single note like this, E flat, B, G sharp. What he did like this, okay? In octave form. Okay? So he used this to land on the 6th chord of his target key, okay, while he was still in the key of B flat, okay. So he started from the key of B flat, Hallelujah, to the 1, Hallelujah, to the 5, Kadosh we worship you. Then you go to the key of B like this, okay, you see that? So this is something beautiful we can learn from this pianist, and we can use the same technique to modulate in some other songs, some other similar worship songs, okay? Songs that are similar to this. For example, worship song that also starts from the 6th chord. You can use the same technique to modulate in that particular song. Let's say Adonai by Nathaniel Bassi. So for example, starting from the key of B flat, we're going to take it something like this. Okay. Okay, you see that? You see what I used to modulate to the next key. So you can see I use the same concepts. Okay. Let's go to another key. Let's say the key of C, the C chord in C.